Hey crew, Wander Sailing episode 5. So we're getting more and more comfortable sailing Black Dragon in some decent winds. It's actually starting to get a little fun now, despite how cold it is up here in Vancouver, British Columbia.
How you doing at the helm?
So good. It's a nice day. Look, Mom. We're also starting to figure out what we need to do to get her blue water ready. Some of our first projects including installing some spreader boots, as our head sail kept getting stuck in the spreaders, causing some nasty tears. A ripped sail is essentially a flat tire. No good. We took both our head sail and our mainsail to a sailmaker for his expertise and repairing skills. After learning that our sails were at the end of their lives, we decided that we would eventually look into buying a sewing machine and eventually learn how to sew new sails, since getting the work done was a wee bit out of our limited budget.
There's no strength there?
Yeah.
No strength there. Should get stronger in there, but it's not. Not water resistance in it.
So today we'll try to fix the heater.
Super grateful that Eric fixed the Habasto heater, as a very chilly winter was coming our way.
Put it in pieces and try to clean it up, and hopefully we'll fire it up at low voltage. Okay, so I just got the call last night that the sails are ready. So we haven't been on the water really for a month or two. So I'm pretty excited. So I'm gonna go pick those up, install them, and hopefully this weekend, if the weather is nice, we can go sailing. Stuck in traffic again this morning. Completely stopped. This is a rush hour of goose time. So I had a hard time to lift it and pull it at the same time. I'm trying to use a halyard and give me some kind of a helper. So we'll try that and see how that works. I've only ever told you that I never do the laundry, just so you all know it's all a lie. Alright.
And then it was Christmas. However, there wasn't much room for a proper Christmas tree this year. We didn't do a whole lot of sailing over the winter since it was a little too wet and cold for our liking. Eric ended up selling his Tacoma truck in order to fund a Spectra water maker and a new autopilot. Both well worth the trade, I believe.
do you think about the spot? Get it? Is it warmer now, Caroline?
Since we didn't have our hands full already, we decided to adopt the cutest puppy in the world. Crew, we introduce you to Kona. Kona is a mutt. We're not really sure what she is, but we know that she's the best boat dog we've ever seen. We'll talk more about how we trained her in the next episode of Wander Sailing. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.
Come on, Kona.
Did you like this episode? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to follow along the adventure. You can also help us keep afloat and fuel the dream by becoming a patron. Patrons get exclusive VIP access, rewards, Wander Sailing shop discounts, and more. Check out patreon.com/wandersailing. XOXO, Eric, Caroline, and Kona.
I was saying before that back in the days when we were 18, 19 years old, Mr. Carpenter,
I guess, yeah.
that buddy was saying, one day I'll buy myself a, comment on dit, un voilier?
A sailboat.
A sailboat, and I'll do
Go around the world.
around the world with the sailboat, and I'll buy a sailboat, I'll go on YouTube to learn how to sail, and we were like, what the fuck is this guy saying? We're not thinking that you were doing it one day in your life, and now you're showing me like nice pictures and nice video about your new life on your boat. Man, we're proud of you.
Thank you very much.
We're proud of you, guy.
Yeah. This
Cheers.
guys is incredible.
And I say hello to Caroline and everybody in Vancouver. Tu cru quand il disait qu'elle allait faire le tour du monde en voilier?
No.
No.
But now, yeah, I think you're gonna do
He's
that.
willing for doing it. So, hey dude, we're proud of you, boy.
Thank you very much.
We're
guys.
proud of you.